The poetry Peace in the Touch of Nature. It is written by me on 5th December 2023. Let all hatred be wiped out from our minds in this so beautiful, cool, pleasing morning. The generous blue sky is telling us to float in the stream of joy of this world. See, the cranes are flying away in which distant sky the cool south wind touches gently. The sweet songs of the world rouse our hearts. The Ganges is flowing, flooding both banks to return the conscience and consciousness of the human mind. The murmuring sound of the river merges with the songs of the birds. In this beautiful hour, yet will the malice remain in our minds, still the desire for revenge? Will it remain in heart? Still, we all remain mad to kill the lives. So many streams of peace are flowing all over this world. Only your eyes have not seen this. Your life passes with cruel mentality, filling the heart with the smiles of the flowers, getting the touch of the greenness of row of the trees. Come, we all receive initiation, singing the incantation for union. We take the learning to light the lamp in our hearts. Come to build together such a world which is filled with joy. The streams of peace are flowing everywhere.